Day 680 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 3,545, minimum deletions for at most k distinct characters. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. Your task is to delete some, possibly none of the characters in the string so that the number of distinct characters in the resulting string is at most k. Return the minimum number of deletions required to achieve this. Alright, y'all, so that may seem a little bit confusing at first, so let's go ahead and take a look at these examples just to make sure that we are doing this problem correctly. So, in example 1, we have our input S equals a string ABC, K equals 2. The output is 1. The explanation says S has 3 distinct characters, A, B, and C, each with a frequency of 1. Since we can have at most k equals 2 distinct characters, remove all occurrences of any one character from the string. For example, removing the occurrence of C results in at most k distinct characters, thus the answer is 1. So, just to break this down one step further, right, we have this string. Boom, we have 3 distinct characters. So hold on, come over here. Let's bring it over here. Boom, we have 3 distinct characters, right? But we're only allowed to have 2 distinct characters. So in order to do that, we can either delete this A. Now we only have 2 distinct characters, right? Because there's only one B and one C. Those are 2 different distinct characters. So that's 2 characters. We could delete this B, or excuse me, we could delete this C. Still only have 2 characters. Or we could delete the B and we still have 2 distinct characters. However, we are only allowed to have 2 distinct characters, and right now we start with 3. So in order for us to get 2, we're going to have to make 1 deletion, y'all. So just in case that didn't make sense, don't worry, we're about to take a look at example 2. So in example 2, we have our input S equals a string A, B, B, K equals 2. This time the output is 0, because as you can see, we already have that this time K is equals 2, means we're only allowed 2 distinct characters. We only have 2 distinct characters. A, that's 1 distinct character, and B, that's the second distinct character. So there's only 2 distinct characters, A and B, the out and K equals 2, so we don't need to delete anything. Explanation says A has 2 distinct characters, A and B, with frequencies of 2 and 2 respectively. Since we can have at most K equals 2 distinct characters, no deletions are required, thus the answer is 0. Boom. So let's take a look at example 3 just in case that didn't make sense, where this time we're going to have to delete something, but we're going to delete the one with the minimum number of deletions. Or excuse me, we need to achieve the minimum number of deletions. So let's go take a look over here at example 3. So in example 3, we have our input S equals a string Y, Z, K equals 1. This time the output is 2, right? Explanation says S has 2 distinct characters, Y and Z. So right now it has 2 distinct characters, right? But we're only allowed to have 1 distinct character because K equals 1. So we're going to have to delete one of these distinct characters, but all of them. So let me show you what I mean by that. So S has 2 distinct characters, Y and Z, with frequencies of 3 and 2 respectively. So this is why the frequency counts, because we want the minimum number of deletions. So since we can have at most K equals 1 distinct characters, we're going to remove all occurrences of any one character. So once again, we need to remove all occurrences of either the Y's or the Z's. Boom. Removing all Z's results in at most K distinct characters, thus the answer is 2. So we are going to remove the Z's because that is going to require 2 deletions, whereas if we delete the 3's, that would require 3 deletions. And remember, we want the minimum number of deletions. So since deleting the Z's will give us the minimum number of deletions, which would be 2. That's why we're going to choose the z's, and then to delete, and we would have to delete 2 z's, so the output is 2 as opposed to deleting 3 y's. Boom. So I hope that makes sense to y'all, and now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution. Solution is not that difficult at all. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a dictionary to store the frequency of each character in the string. So the key will be the character, and the value will be the number of times the character appears. So we're just going to declare a variable called freq, and we're going to set that equal to a dictionary. Once again, the key is a character, colon, and the value will be the number of times the character appears, so that will be an integer, and we are going to put the parentheses like this. Boom. Now we need to count how many times each character appears in the string. So we're going to say for char in s, we're going to open up the brackets, and we're going to say freq square bracket char comma default colon 0, come outside the square bracket, say plus equals 1. So each time we see this char, right, this char right here in S, each time we see it, we are going to keep track, or we're going to keep count of each time we see it over here. And we're going to start the count from 0. That's why the default value will be 0. And each time we see it, we're going to add 1 to it. Boom. Now we need to convert the dictionary into an array of tuples, or characters, comma integer tuples, and sorted by frequency in ascending order. And this will let us remove characters with the smallest frequency first. So we're going to come underneath this, and we're going to say let counts equal freq dot sorted, open of the brackets, $0.1 is less than $1.1. Boom. Now, if the number of unique characters is already less than or equal to k, then no deletions are required. So we could come underneath this, and we could just say if counts dot count is less than or equal, is less than or equal to k, we can open up the brackets, and we could just say return 0. Boom. Now we need a variable to keep track of the total number of deletions required. So we'll come underneath this, declare a variable called sum, and we'll set that equal to 0. Then we're going to remove characters with the smallest frequencies until only k distinct characters remain. So we're going to say for I in 0 dot dot less than, open up the parentheses, counts dot count minus k, come outside of the parentheses, open up the brackets, and we're going to add the frequency of that character to the deletion total, because we must delete all occurrences of that character. So we're going to say sum plus equals counts square bracket I dot 1. Boom. Then we need to return the minimum number of deletions needed by coming right here, and all we have to do is say return sum, y'all. Boom. That's all she wrote. Let's give it a run. Make sure it runs properly before we. Ooh, okay. Let's see what's going on here. Cannot find count. That should be counts with an S. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's run it again. See if that did the trick, and it does. It's accepted. So let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted after we submit it. Ooh, y'all, and look at that. 0 milliseconds beats 100% of users. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see, y'all. So before we go, make sure you get one more look at the code. This is the top part. This is the bottom part. And yeah, y'all, with that being said, I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.